Welcome to my channel, Technology in the Future. So OnePlus produced the best foldable smartphone yet. We get an exclusive glimpse at an early version of this intriguing foldable handset. So let's find out. Pete Lau, the founder of OnePlus and senior vice president of Oppo, is the ideal person to introduce this masterpiece. Lau divulges information about OnePlus' first foldable device in an exclusive conversation with Unbox Therapy. The OnePlus Open and Oppo Find N3 are actually the same gadget, which is great news for fans of both companies. With more than 600 patents specifically addressing the hinge, OnePlus has made significant investments in developing this essential part. Any foldable phone's hinge is its most important component, and OnePlus is doing everything possible to ensure a smooth operation. Their choice of a gapless hinge similar to the Find N2 is simply amazing. Here's the twist. It has a staggering 31 fewer components and is 37% smaller than the one in the Find N2. Pete Lau had a child close the OnePlus Open with a piece of paper inside to show off its strength, and guess what? Without slipping even much, the phone was suspended from the paper. Let's now take a closer look at the handset itself from a variety of perspectives. Raised bezels that are fairly thick can be seen, but the camera bump and other portions of the phone were deftly hidden by paper, creating an intriguing mystery that heightens the expectation. But wait, there's more to learn. According to rumors, the OnePlus Open will have the highest pixel density of any folding display currently available. This indicates that you may anticipate an extraordinarily sharp and clear display, whether it is folded or unfolded. And that's not all. In order to make the smartphone both lighter and more robust, OnePlus also made the hinge smaller than it was on the Find N2. This was confirmed by Pete Lau during the conversation, which is wonderful to hear. Fans of OnePlus will recognize this image as the Texture Alerts slider. It's a distinguishing feature of OnePlus and is hailed with pride during the interview. Users may easily silence their phone or switch it to vibration mode thanks to this convenient slider. It's wonderful to see that the company's first foldable phone will include this cherished function. However, we can't yet reveal all of the mysteries. Unfortunately, the camera housing was hidden throughout the session and is being kept a closely guarded secret. Prior speculations, however, suggested a powerful camera system with a 48MP wide-angle lens, a 48MP ultra-wide shooter, and a 64MP telephoto lens. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 will be the device driving this beast. Mark October 19th on your calendars, because that is when the OnePlus Open Oppo Find N3 is anticipated to make its formal debut. We're getting more and more excited as we await its arrival. Supposed to cost between $1,000 and $1,300. Has OnePlus produced the ideal foldable phone, which remains the same question? Post your ideas in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to as many as I can, so be sure to click the subscribe button to receive updates. Peace out.